ChatGPT explained. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced AI assistants today. Let's break down what it is, its new features, and how it can help you. ChatGPT is a conversational AI built by OpenAI. It understands natural language, generates human like responses, and can handle text, voice, images, and even code. In 2026, ChatGPT introduced GPT Live Voice Mode for real time conversations, instant translation for global communication, and specialized work agents that automate tasks like research and reporting. Strengths include accessibility, productivity, and learning support. It can draft emails, summarize reports, coach students, and even help creators script tutorials. Limitations: ChatGPT may produce incorrect answers or reflect biases, and costs vary depending on your plan. Privacy is important, so avoid sharing sensitive data. Verdict: ChatGPT is a powerful tool for freelancers and creators and learners. Use it for automation and content creation, but always fact check before publishing.